real important to always have personal protection. Make sure you have your proper PPE, hard hats, gloves, safety glasses. These machines, they move abrasive material at high speeds. And there's lots of rooms to get harmed. So keep yourself in a safe position, wear the proper PPE. There's a number of pinch points on this machine that you need to be aware of. You'll see signs like this as danger pinch point area. On this front hopper, there's a lot of pinch points where the gates open and close. You never want to put your hands in that opening. This cylinder moves back and forth. You don't ever want to put anything in here. These rollers that support the front hopper, those are also pinch points. You've got a pinch point here. These conveyors, they spin at high speeds and they come on and off automatically. So you could be sitting here and the computer will get a signal that it needs to turn that on and it will just start up automatically. So you never want to put your hands in a pinch point around the conveyors. There's also inside the hoppers there, this shaft right here turns an auger. So that comes on automatically too. There's visibility. The operator can't see all sides of the machine very well, so you want to make sure you have eye contact with the operator at all times. Other pinch points would be the wheels moving forward and aft. This rear hopper, it folds up and down. You can see we put pinch point warnings on it. Never put your body between the chip spreader and your material truck, whether it's a live bottom or a dump truck. You never get in here to where you can get squished between the two units. This hitch is a positive latch with a hydraulic, high pressure hydraulic latch mechanism. Never get your hands in this area here. This hitch is also adjustable up and down, so you never want to get your hands in these pinch point areas. Don't stand in the rear hopper with the engine running. You want to make sure if you're cleaning out the rear hopper that you shovel everything to the belts with the engine off. Once you get everything shoveled out of the corners, you can turn the engine on and run the belts up to the front, but make sure nobody's in this hopper when the engine's running. Another pinch point area, we'll go to that side. This operator station, you can see we put pinch point there. It pivots on this metal track here, and you can get squeezed between these handrails and that operator station. Never get yourself between the operator station or this handrail and the dump truck. A lot of times when the dump trucks raise up, the tailgates can hit this platform. So make sure you stay out of the way when the dump truck's dumping, that you're not standing in here between this rail and the dump truck.